Welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. I'm Darcy, and today we're taking a look at the Shortcuts app for Mac. You may be familiar with this app on your iPhone or iPad, and we've certainly done some videos in the past covering these topics, so check them out if you get a chance. But today, we'll investigate what that experience looks like on the Mac. Shortcuts range from simple to complex, and just a look at the app can make one feel overwhelmed. No matter, today we're going to build ourselves up. First, we'll talk about what a shortcut actually is, where you can find pre-made shortcuts. Then we'll actually go through a few on Mac so that you see how they're used. At the end, I'll show you how to build a simple progress tracking shortcut. What's a shortcut is a shortcut that teaches people shortcuts using a shortcut. Don't worry, that's the last time I'm going to be confusing, but not the last time I'm going to be funny. A shortcut, in essence, is a way to use your apps without opening them first. In this demonstration, we already have a pre-made shortcut open, and it's giving me 3 options as examples of what it can do. Create a note, play a surprise song from your library, turn on dark mode. Each is a little bit different. I'll start with create a note by selecting it and clicking done. Now, type what you want the note to say. Click Done for a preview of your note, then Done again. Now it seems like nothing has happened, like we just put some information into the abyss. But no, if we enter notes, I can see what we created right there. I really like this one as a demo because so much can be achieved without even opening the app, let alone the coming shortcuts that do. Let's go back and explore the other options for this shortcut. Next is play a surprise song from your library, and it does just that. Select it and click Done. Apple Music opens, and a random song from your library starts to play. The third option is turn on dark mode. This shows that shortcuts can control not only applications, but computer preferences also. At the end of it all, we're given 2 more prompts. We'll explore more shortcuts on our own, but select See How It Works to go under the hood and see what makes a shortcut. Okay, whoa, this looks similar to actually programming an app. And it is, but with some simplifications added by Apple to make the experience more intuitive and clear. We're going to build something a lot simpler at the end of this video. For now, let's exit this window and explore a whole range of pre-built shortcuts. I really want to show off all the different ways shortcuts can be used on Mac with minimal input from yourself.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.